Guys, I got it. It's finally here. After waiting for 2 weeks for this to come in, I finally got it. Today, we'll be unboxing the new NCFCA sweatshirt that I seem to have won. So let's get right into that. Alright, so comes in an interesting package here. Mailed it with the postal service. Can't believe a conservative organization would use a postal service. Kind of surprised it didn't get lost in the mail, or they weren't worried it'd get lost in the mail. You know, all that ballot stuff. It's here. Looks like they paid $8 to ship this to me. So, wow, kind of grateful. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. A lot of tape in here. It's just super annoying. So what probably just gonna do is cut open the top with a normal pair of scissors. Absolutely destroy this top up here without cutting into the fabric. Oh, and I actually don't want to use the scissors for the entire thing because apparently the sweatshirt is right under here, so yeah, that was kind of messy to open, but we did it. So we're gonna pull this out, get rid of that. Yeah, neatly folded. Feels kind of nice in here. Taking this out, got a really nice sweatshirt here. Looks to be nice and thick. Ooh. Looks like it's just a generic size here. Has a zipper, your normal stuff for NCFCA sweatshirt. The quality isn't too amazing. It's not bad. Probably not one of my worst sweatshirts here, but not too bad. Honestly, I'd give this a 7 out of a 10. So nice job, NCFCA. Apparently, it looks like you're being still at least in one area now. Well, thanks guys for popping in to see this, and hopefully you can win an NCFCA sweatshirt too and become a better debater.